Hello, today I'm in Ford Mustang. In this video I'll show you how to check engine statistics. In the beginning, let's take a look at the speedometer display, enter gauge mode and go down to engine statistics. Now you can check air-fuel ratio, boost vacuum, cylinder head temperature, inlet air temperature, oil pressure, oil temperature, voltage, and that's it. Also, in this menu you can check distance to empty and tire pressure. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.